Guys, we're back in a new video. My dad is trying to make that in. And I'll show you the chickens up here. Alright. There. Oh, you can see that. They're right there. It's just awesome. That's their food. Alright, let's just go outside again. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below in the comment section below, alright? So my child is trying to get this thing into that. Wow, that was weird. Oh. You almost made that. And yeah, guys, he has another one, but I don't know where he got that from. Right here, this thing, you guys don't know, this thingamajig right here is a hot tub. Let me try like once. I hope I make this. Dang it. I missed. Alright, let's work out. There's a bear. There's a bear. Computer, very nice computer. See chickens. The chickens, the air conditioner. I thought you just had a playhouse. It's not there anymore. Oh. Yeah, guys, my Uncle Eric's had this. So awesome. Yeah, it's just very awesome, very nice house. And there's lights in there. I'll cut the video until I'm in my house. And that will be the end of the video, alright guys? See you in the comments. Yeah guys, that was pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.